Hey, would you look at that? Another Wednesday here on our Namibian Food Forest homestead. There's a Narchi, but mandarin. Yeah, a little bit of rain, finally, eh? How nice. Guess the big war is won, eh?
No, you don't understand. The big war is starting now.
Yo, did you see that one? A cheetah!
I see some are slow. Can't find the link in the description and watch it, so I'm gonna just tell you here. Be careful, I'm giving you a warning. Who controls your eye controls your mind. So here, you're looking at things through my eyes and I control your mind. If you don't like it, bye. That's why it doesn't matter how I look. Look through my eyes and see what I see. It's lekker. Lekker.
Shall we say it's a wacky Wednesday? Let's refer back to last week. It is really all about war and persistent culture and permaculture and every culture and everything, okay? So really, it's everything here. Open eyes, open ears. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Stay tuned. So yeah, really, what's your problem? Water, life. We're talking about the most important things here.
So if you're not getting it yet, just to make it really clearly, it really is all about permaculture and life and live and freedom and food and being free.
I say a bit of rain on the wacky Wednesday. No. It's a wet, waterful, wonderful Wednesday. On the way to go check if I can get that April Fool's joke out to you. I hope you have enjoyed it.
So, no, sorry, you can't watch a Bush TV Day 313. They don't want it to be free. So I'm gonna make a plan and tell you where you can see.
Finally, a bit of light drizzle for the whole morning. Very lekker. Bunnylawn, we're going to see what's in there. It looks like some chickens got out again. Oh no, they're here. But perch night will be a ongoing thing, it seems. I have more chickens than I can count. They're sleeping at places I don't know. So we're going to perch for a few nights. But these ones are gonna stay here today. The plug got lost. I don't know how the plug got lost, and the new plug is not working. Bunnies, bietjie kos. Daar's sy. Lekker. So it's a very chill day. I don't think it will be much of a Bush TV day. I gotta go sort out some other things, other priorities, not mine. So Anton is also gone. He got paid. Pesci, thank you for the money for the toys. I gave it to him and said to him he must buy toys. So if and when he returns, I'll see if little guy got more toys to play with or not. I also added another extra $50 of my own that he can just like buy a lot of things for them. So I hope those children will be happy. I hope I will see Anton soon. I can't believe the chickens are going through there. It's so high up. Anyways, let's talk a bit of plans. So this thing is total overkill. Why did we build it so high? It doesn't need to be this big. I have a plan to hang a platform or something there from the roof. I want roosts up there, and then I want some roof sheeting to catch all that poosters, and that I can clean it and that the poosters is not falling here on the on the Bunnylawn Apartments. So yeah, and that we can harvest those chickens. Hello there, little friend. Let's take a stroll through the forest while I tell you about my culture. It really is Pasista culture. I know what you do. You know who we are and what we do here. And it really is a big war. It's fun. It's awesome. So there's a little bit of blurry Independence Road. While I'm thinking about it, things went so hectic on the first joke day that poor Anton, you know, this Squid Game is really rigged against everybody. So poor Anton, I really rooted for the guy. I gave him in the end 14-4, and that is like 4 more than these other guys that work on farms in Namibia for $10 an hour, you know. So I really rooted for the guy. I tried to give him as much as I could. He said, okay, whoa. So the problem was, yes, his food was very expensive, you know. That took more than half of his pay. But besides that, the other thing I finally got time to think about later on. It was such a hurry to sort him out and get him sorted out and all that. So in the end, the taxi money, I just, you know, deducted it because he said he can deduct it. And he brought his wife and children, which I didn't tell him to do. So he said I can deduct the taxi money. But in the end, all in all, it's still less than I budgeted. So I'm gonna make a plan to give him his taxi money back. At least, you know, that way he can also share in the winnings of this Squid Game, ne? Lekker lekker. So from now on, I'm going to assume that you have watched Bush TV Day 313. And so no names, no coffees on this episode. No supporters yet for this episode. Here today, this Bush TV is as free as a free bird can be. No coffees, no monies, no nothing, just Bush TV. So from tomorrow on, I would like to thank the supporters that's supporting. If you don't want to be supporting anymore, make sure to let me know, okay? And thank you then very much still. Anyways, so yes, since Bush TV 313 I can count the real supporters, and for every supporter I really would like to plant a tree. So let me know, what is your favorite tree, and I see what I can do about that, and let that be free. Lekker lekker. So yeah, lekker lekker. Can you count how many times I'm saying lekker lekker? I talk a lot of nonsense. Today isn't a Bush TV day. Today is a safari day. Pokkies! There's another Impala for you. If you're liking the African safari, give it a thumbs up. I'm not here for 1,000 subscribers. I'm here for 1,000 soldiers. Hey, that's a kudu. Lekker lekker. Lovely, lovely. How beautiful is that? Hey, look at the small one. Go, 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 my bra. Jy is the future. Lekker, lekker. While we're looking at the Springboks, what's the time? Oh, it's my time. Why so slow? It's now time. Rapture time. GTFO FIFO, fit in or FO. Lekker, lekker. Don't tell Boo, okay? But here's a little detail for you. Yes, these things are like aliens. I really don't like them. Look how freaking ugly they are. We are so lucky not to have them on our Fruit Forest homestead. Hey, it's actually it bit me just there.
So, I have to tell you this, it's going to sound a little bit crazy. Make with it what you want. But I have a little sneaky suspicion that I'm your last call, your last warning. I have no idea how long you have. But yeah, just know I'm doing what I have to do. I'm saying what I have to say, and I do it with a heavy heart. It's not easy, but also it is so joyous. Happy times coming. Just like stop looking up and start looking at the light in front of you. And unfortunately, all the nonsense will sound like nonsense if you have not watched a Bush TV Day 313. So sorry for that, but that one is up to you. Go check it out. I don't think it's so much an issue of nonsense. It's just that you've been tuned into nonsense, and so sense is just flying right past. So what are we gonna choose right here? A left or a right?
About time, eh? Let's check. While I'm still young. Almost 6. Yeah, it's a 6. Lekker, lekker. Back at the homestead. What's the time? Oh, it's just one time. Still looks like just one time. Maybe it's time to seriously have a talk about time here. Because this joke is not really working for me. Because this is not constant, and you know, it's not what it should be. But there we got our 6. Lekker, lekker. And yes, I really just, you know, because what day is it? Is it that one? Oh, I'd really like just like start doing this. So let's make it as easy as A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you look closely, every day is lekker lekker hashtag 33 day. But this day was a lekker 33 day because that day is the 1st of Nisan. That's how I understand the Jews media runs their calendar. So where do we start? Hey, would you look at that? They bombed us. No, this pole, it was rotten there. We had it with some wires, and it seems the little bit of rain this morning was just too much. I knew I would have had to remove these poles. They were way too long in the wind and the weather. So it is unfortunate. It did give us some purpose. We did all this at the time when, you know, we thought, let's just do it because we can at that time, and we don't know what the future holds. But then it took too long to get this covered up and all that. So it is really quite a sore waste of trees and stuff, but also not, because I have a lot of plans with some of these poles, and definitely all these poles, like there's a lot of fences to be made. You know, chickens and sheep struggle to walk together. So kamp is span. Yo, my tent. What did I nog want to tell you? Look at my tent. All in all, this isn't the biggie I expected it. But I'm unhappy about that. That is a bit of damage. Maar dis kleintjies, small stuff. Don't sweat the small stuff.